Hi guys, this is Mr. Picasso again. Remember that this week we've been talking about electrical energy. So the little demonstration that I have here has to deal with electrical energy. This is called a Graaff Generator. It's named after the person that invented it. Okay? The reason why they're using this is for science teachers, we can demonstrate electrical energy. When we plug in the electrical plug to the electrical outlet, it's going to send positive and negative electrons into the Graaff generator. When I turn on the Graaff generator, it's going to separate the positive and negative electrons from each other. And the dome and the sphere right here, you're going to have the positive electrons. The Earth is mainly composed of negative electrons. That's why you have lightning coming down, because there's positive electrons from up in the atmosphere and then negative, and they make the spark. The same thing happens when you're drying your clothes, you're in a trampoline or sliding down a plastic slide. Okay. Another reason why they use a Graaff generator is for nuclear research and for nuclear medicine and for the X-ray machines. Okay. So what we're going to be doing right now, I'm going to turn it on and you're going to see a spark, because remember, here in the sphere, you're going to have the positive electrons and then I will become the negative electron. Let's see that hopefully you can see the spark that it's going to make. Okay. I'm going to turn up the lights and then I'm going to turn up the machine and hopefully you can see the little spark. If you cannot see it, you're probably going to hear the shock, okay? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get an insulator to turn it off, okay? So that way it doesn't shock me, okay? So you probably heard the shocks. Hopefully you saw the little shocks. You can see here, there. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put a water bottle here on top. And remember that water has iron. We have iron. And that's one of the reasons also why we get shocked, okay? If we would drink distilled water, which is just pure water with no minerals, chances are that you wouldn't get shocked because your body wouldn't have any iron. But iron is something that your body needs in order to survive, okay? So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to unplug the plug from the electrical outlet, and then I'm going to fix the belt because it basically moved to the side, and then we'll start the experiment, okay? I don't know if you can see the shock on top of the Graaff generator. So the electrons, you can see, passing through the water like lightning. Okay, let me turn off the Graaff generator with the insulator, and then we'll do one last experiment. Okay. This experiment, a lot of kids like it. Let me just unplug the electrical plug. But like I said, this experiment, a lot of kids like it because we have popping cereal. Remember that cereal, if you don't understand by now, also has a lot of iron. So when the electrons are passing through the cereal, it's making them pop. Okay, so let's look at this experiment. I'm going to put the bag, a 1 gallon Ziploc bag with a lot of Rice Krispies. And then we'll turn it on. You'll see what's going to happen. Okay. For this one, we can leave the lights on. Okay. Here we go. I don't know if you can see. Now we're going to move it. And there we go.